Lions, the unrivaled predators of the animal kingdom, possess incredible strengths and abilities. However, even these mighty creatures have their limits. When a lion is injured, can it still endure and sustain itself in the wild? Join us on exploring the resilience of these majestic beasts, showcasing 35 heartbreaking moments of their unwavering determination. The epic lion versus buffalo battle. Despite sustaining severe injuries, both combatants refused to surrender. Perhaps driven by hunger or the predator's unwavering determination, the lion persists until the buffaloes leave, leaving the wounded lion alone. Have you ever seen a lion being thrown into the air by a buffalo, do 3 flips and then land on its feet? Now you have. The poor lioness, this majestic predator, had gotten herself stuck in the crosshairs of this enormous herd of buffalo. Their survival instincts kicked in and it was chaos. She was tossed about like she weighed nothing. Lions versus lions. 2 majestic lions fiercely battle for mating rights. Roars echo as they clash, disregarding the female lion's interventions. A victor emerges, asserting dominance, while the defeated lion bears a bloody nose. Perhaps male lions aren't supposed to live together in an enclosure. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thank you for your support. Three male lions challenge an intruder in their territory. The young lion's strength and aggression demand respect. Injuries sustained in the battle could be fatal, urging him to escape swiftly for safety. Hyenas versus lions. The lion is trapped by over 20 hyenas. This number of hyenas could kill him. It's impossible to fight them all at once. One more lion is coming. Now the odds have changed. Another time, a male lion was crossing the river, suddenly attacked by a crocodile, but the lion escaped. Rhinos appear to have a dislike for lions. In the meadow, a rhino antagonizes 2 lions. It asserts dominance and confidently walks away, ignoring the retreating lions. A 1-year-old elephant survived a vicious attack by 14 lions. Clearly outnumbered, the baby elephant managed to get away unscathed despite having 3 of the lionesses on his back at one point. A clever wildebeest surprised the lionesses. Though briefly overwhelmed, it rose up and courageously took down the lioness with remarkable power. A rare and extraordinary sighting indeed. This could be the luckiest wildebeest in the world. This mammal manages to escape the clutches of a lion after being dragged into the undergrowth. One more scene represents the law of survival in the jungle. A brave giraffe kicks lions to defend itself. Lions harass, scare, and exhaust the giraffe in turns. Each lioness rests briefly before restarting the cycle. This lion seems to be obstructing the giraffe's run. So the giraffe kicked the lion hard and kept running. One hippo was pretty badly injured. The great hippopotamus is the target of the lion's attack. The baby hippo was trying to save her. But as more lions gathered, it was difficult for him to do so. The last moments of a lion's life. He died as a brave fighter, a brave father, and a brave king. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. What do you think of these wild animals battles? Leave your comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos.